Racing just is started. We have Raun first to show quickness at a start. Moving up now at the outside is Magna Carta Nash. Then comes Hello. Then comes Tony. Next online is Gran Torino. Then down on the inside is Mountain Lake. Moving up on the outside, Queen Maker. Sweet Lorky comes next. Dark Sequence. While A Star Quality is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Magna Carta. Moving up now on the outside is Nash. Tony. Now moving up to take third. Then next online is Hello. Raon is down in fifth. Then moving up now on the outside is Queen Maker. Down on the inside, Mountain Lake. Running by the rail is Tornado. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Magna Carta by about half length, and on the outside second Nash. Tony remains in third. Raun now trying to get closer in fourth, and as they swing for home, we have Magna Carta by a length. Moving up down on the inside is Raun. Nash is on the outside. Last 100 meters, we have Magna Carta. Raun is down on the inside. Nash, but it's still Magna Carta. Second is Raun. Nash. Then comes number 7, Gran Torino. Tony, and Queen Maker.
Ano datingan natin? 618 ba?
618, 710, 5. So, si Magna Carta.